In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a speech to song in CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to open up CapCut and create a new project. And now I'm just going to upload a tutorial I've done just earlier as this for a demonstration. So I'm going to click on import. Now I'm going to click on this video here, put it to my timeline. So if I press play, this is just basically me doing a tutorial. In order to create speech to song in CapCut, the song or your speech has to be less than a minute. So at the moment, this is over a minute. So I'm going to drag this and make it say just 30 seconds for this demonstration. And I'm just going to zoom in on the timeline here. And now from here, I want to click on the video that's got my voice in there. Click onto audio on the top right, and then it will say basic or voice changer. Go ahead and click onto voice changer, and you got all these different voices you can change if you want to change your voice, but I want to keep my voice the same. So we've got voice characters, voice filters, and speech to song. Go ahead and click on speech to song. We've got 4 pro feature speech to songs we could use, or one that's free. If you want to check out CapCut Pro, I will leave a link in the description below for a free 7-day trial. So if you're interested in that, just go ahead and click on that link. All right, so I'll first show you the folk speech to song. So depending how long your clip is, it might take a couple of seconds or a minute. I found it takes probably about a minute for a minute song. So I'm going to let this load, pause the video and get back to you once this says loaded. All right, it's loaded, so I'll press play and you'll be able to hear my speech to song. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use image enhancement on images using CapCut PC. Alright, and I'll show you the R&B of this. So I'll click this and let this load, pause the video and get back to you once it's loaded. Alright, I'll press play for the R&B. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use image enhancement on images using CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video.